I have the Galaxy Z Fold 8 here, and I'm going to show you how to connect a USB flash drive to this phone. Now, this is very simple. If you have a Type-C flash drive, then all you have to do is plug it into the Type-C port of your phone. Now, if you have one of these old traditional USB flash drives, then you might need to get an OTG adapter, which will help you connect this to the phone. Anyway, once you connect, whichever way you connect, let's say you have a Type-C flash drive. I'm going to link this one down below in case you're interested to check it out. So you plug it into the Type-C port of your phone, and then you should be good to go. There's not going to be a pop-up. The only thing you're going to see is USB storage device added. So now if you go into My Files app, and then go to the home screen of the My Files app, on the left hand side, let's go to the menu. On the left hand side, you can actually scroll and see USB storage device, and these are now the files and folders inside my USB flash drive. You can actually copy or transfer files from the USB flash drive to the internal storage of the phone, and from the internal storage of the phone to the USB flash drive. Now, once you're done with all this, make sure you select the USB storage one, go to the corner, tap on the three dots, select unmount, and then now you can unmount this device. Thanks for watching. Good luck.